Victor surprised Bridget with a marriage proposal, only for Pablo to come and ruin the whole thing when he shot Victor while he was down on one knee. Potato is disappointed because he was told he cannot join the team since he is too old, and now he feels like giving up. Gasa came to propose to Giri and apologize, but Giri is like, I cannot marry you anymore. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Victor sat with Khalalel and told her that she wants to marry Bridget. Khalalel is happy for him, saying we deserve happiness. And Papa wanted to know if you approve now because she doesn't think that Bridget is gonna come and replace Mama Hai. I don't know. She can never replace our mom. My mom, I know, like to both of us. So good habits, Papa. I'm happy for you. You deserve happiness as well. And then Victor goes to talk to Chloe, trying to get her to help him plan the whole thing, like get Bridget to the place, because he said he's done a setup and bought champagne and roses. But Tubbs is busy interfering, saying that a helicopter because Vuvu's last proposal was in the air. Shamula went on out and got a helicopter. Victor's like, oh, helicopter go crack. I don't have that kind of mind. I'm not a wealthy man. Tlhoge tries to tell him, hey, don't mind Tabs, man. Tabs wa bora. As long as the ring is sharp, then you're good. And then Victor tells Tlhoge to bring Bridget to the venue. And then Tlhoge suggests that it's better if Tabs and Dara come too because they're like family. Khandi, she did so well because actually they're going to need them. And then Dira tries to call Victor to invite him to a fake interview. Victor says he's got something going on. And then they decide they're just going to follow him, that track. And then Taps and Vuvu and the rest of the crew, they arrive at the venue, bringing Vuvu. Until what Pablo also arrived. Because Victor came early, so they tracked Victor and followed him. Victor came early to arrange the whole thing and do the setup. And then Victor, and then if they pretend to be going to the bathroom, going to the car, so that Bridget can walk and see Victor alone and have their moment. Bridget was so happy. Busy. Vicky, she was so happy. I don't think she was expecting Victor to propose so soon. So she was really genuinely happy. She was very, very, very happy. And then they then showed up with Vuvu and Dala. But and asked the question. Victor was the minute Victor went down on one knee and asked Bridget to marry him, a gun shot fired. Claire, Pablo guy shot Victor. Now, but it seems like Umukejile because it seems like the bullet didn't hit him, but he fired one shot and left. And Dira made it clear, Hori, please make it clear. I don't want this coming back to me. And it seems like he missed it. Now Mdala is following him and wants to know who's this person that's trying to kill Victor. She's been having a phone in prison, so now she's in trouble. Now Victor and Khalalelo now go level up because after the shooting. Now Tutu is wondering why is Khalalelo lying to him. They probably told her not to say anything. And then Gasa goes to Kiriboni to apologize because now he watched the video. Now he saw that Kiriboni has been talking the truth all this time. Ari, she did not sleep with him because she did not even go inside his apartment. Now he came with a ring because of Tsidi. Tsidi said a big gesture, grand gesture. He went and got a ring. Now he's asking Kiriboni to marry him. Ari, let's continue getting married because Mnangaptanda. But Kiriboni was like, nope, it's not happening. I can't marry you. He's shocked with Kanjani Ki. That's you like so much when you didn't trust me. I don't think our relationship is going to survive. I think Kasanga police and Jay nope, it's not going to survive. The way you treated me, I mean, this guy went too much, even asked for his Lobala money back. That was just way out of line. And then Bozozo goes to see Mr. Malaza to take his CV. All excited, grateful for the opportunity, only for Mr. Malaza to tell him that this opportunity is only for people who are 25 years and under. Bozozo was shocked, Shem, because he really wanted this. He thought this was a big break for him. But he's considered malume. Tinzwala are na kitloba 24 years old here because this is opportunity I'm not missing it. I'm not missing out on. But so is disappointed. As imagine losing an opportunity because you're too old. Lapho mina ngithi baby face, I can still play for my under 13. Tutuka says Yana is not going to give up. He's going to go and tell him about his criminal record and come clean and hopefully things will go well for him. Well, Orchid also got rejected because Abamfunu Gamla, this white boy, is going to like cause some problems for Bona. So I'm rejected. And then he meets with Mutabe. Mutabe was like, no, my mom told me to stay away from you because when I saw about some entanglement with your stepmom, but okay, accounted and said that he was drunk. Mutsabi was very impressed. Now I feel like these are actually going to date. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.